Some people will say, what good is an authorized dealer for a watch purchase? They just sell you the watch, and that's all you need. But that is an opinion that fails to see the benefits. The authorized dealer is invested in your continual enjoyment of your watch. And to illustrate that, let's take a look at this filthy watch bracelet. This comes from normal wear, and the dirt accumulates between the links. So I brought this to an authorized dealer and asked if they could clean the bracelet for me. They said yes, and as a watch dealer and jeweler, they have the equipment to do a washing. It didn't cost me anything, and it doesn't really cost them anything. I got to visit their store, look around, and after a little while, I got my watch back, looking so much better. This is why it's important to have a healthy relationship with an authorized dealer.